my one of the question is when I'm going to the user profile, so I'm only seeing the 50 profiles, right? Are there any limit depending on the my current plan or how I can see all the profile user profiles in the Amplitude?
I think you get access to the last 50 or something in the UI, and then you can still filter down because you can select user ID and any whatever you can filter down so you can reduce or you can actually go look for specific user IDs. But I think the initial frame when you load it, it just has the last 50.
But I have also applied the filter. Let's say if any user has performed any event, it only shows me the 50. I have also done the page size to 50. It only shows me the one page.
I think another way to look at this would be what's the use case there? Are you trying to do something with that list of profiles or just want to look at a few users?
Yeah, I just want to look at the users, how many users I have in my which has used the product.
I think if all you're trying to do is just look at the count of users who've looked at the
Mhm.
product, a good way to do that would be using the charts rather than just the
Yeah.
profiles page. So you can create a chart in Amplitude, say, which
Okay.
looks at any event.
And for the use case where I have applied a filter, if a user has performed any particular event, it only shows 50 users.
Well, like Anush said, I think like if you typically what I would do here is like I would say show me since January 1st, show me all the users, view
Mhm.
portfolio. I do uniques because that gives me like my unique users. And then instead of doing this, what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna ask for KPI. And this gives me like just the count, right? This is the total amount of unique users who have viewed the portfolio since January 1st. Like if this is like how many, because your question was how many users are in there, right? And then from there you can still decide to like, okay, I wanna break it down on a quarterly basis, whatever. And I actually click into it and I create a cohort or I do whatever I want to do.
So it's the something which you have done in the product that it's only show 50 in the list. So I have to create different charts to see the count and all.
Yeah, or the alternative I would even say is like event behavior, and you go into show me all the events. I don't know this account, but account created. All the users who have at least created once an account, and then I do since January, and then it's gonna
Okay.
give me a cohort with all of these users in there.
So in cohorts, I can create, okay, I have to
It's
create a
also
cohort.
capped to 50 because that's, I think it's just the view frame through which you look into a cohort or you look into a user base is always going to be capped to 50. Like all of the users are in there and then you can do whatever you want with them.
Okay, but it will show 50. Okay.